Stop saying I'm busy. Hi, welcome WLA. My name is Wilfred. Today I'm going to take you to another expression lesson. And today's expression lesson is very important because I'm going to teach you many other ways to say I'm busy. You know, when learning English, it's especially very important to have a diversified vocabulary or expression to use when communicating with people. So let's catch up after the generic. So I am pleased to teach you many other words, let's say expressions, to use with your friends when you'll be exchanging, you'll be having conversation with them. So maybe your friends are proposing to go out to have fun, but you're kind of busy. So you just want to say, I'm busy today, so I'm not available to go out. So what are the alternative ways to say I'm busy? So the first one that I would like to teach you today is this one. I have a lot to do. I have a lot to do. So if your friends are proposing you to go out, you could just say, I have a lot to do, so I'm unavailable. I can go out. I can't go out. So the second expression I have to teach you is this one. I am up to my neck. I am up to my neck means I am very busy. So maybe you have to go out with your friends. So you will say, I am up to my neck, meaning that I am very busy. So you're apologizing next to them that you will not be available to go out with them. The other word or the other expression you can use is I am swamped. I am swamped. If you are swamped, that means that you're totally busy and that you will not have enough time to do what others are proposing you to do. Maybe they just want to give you another or an additional job to do, but you will say I am swamped, to say I'm already busy. And another expression which encompasses the word work is I am buried with work. I'm buried with work. So you can just say I'm buried with work, or my agenda is full. My agenda is full. The agenda is a kind of list you have to list up your different things to do. So if your agenda is full, that means that you're totally busy, you're completely busy, you're really busy, and you can do other things like going out to have fun or just going out to play with your friends. The thing you have to do is that you have to be concentrated on your work. So do me this favor by just using those words and expressions after today in your daily conversations. So now on, I think that you will no longer say I am busy. Stop using I'm busy, because this is very basic and it is for people who have just started learning English who use these words. It is a basic word. It is like a standard word. So by using those alternative words that are listed here, you'll see that people will be witnessing, or people will be noticing you, that your vocabulary is expanding, it's growing. You have a lot, you've learned a lot. So thank you. This is the end of our expression lesson. So if you enjoy it, if you like it, leave a blue thumb, subscribe and share it to your friends. Catch up later.